Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make money online playing games. No investment is needed. You don't have to invest any money. All you need is your data and your mobile phone, and you'll be making money every day. So I'll leave the link in the description. You just have to click on the link and download the app. Sign up. You get $1. If you use my referral link, you get $1 instantly. But one thing about the app is the withdrawal limit is set to $10. I withdrawn $10 yesterday and it went through. I received it in my PayPal. I'm going to show you the proof. So after signing up, they will take you through some tutorials and you get to know each corner of the app. I'm going to show you the prices over here. My network is bad over here. Yeah, if you can play game every day, if you are a good gamer, every day you'll be taking $5. That is if you are the first person. If you are the first position, you get $5. The second, $4, and the third, $3.5, and then I think the fourth takes one point something dollars, and the rest, some 50 cents, some 10 cents, and if is it from, I think from 100, no, 100 to, yeah, I think from 100 to no, not 100, I think 800 there to 1,000 or so. They take 0.01 cent. So if you are a good gamer, you know how to play game, you play game and still you entertain yourself and still make money over here on this platform. So for example, they have daily what's the name, they have tournament over here. You can as well join the tournament whereby you'll be playing game with several people online. So for example, let me join this space traveler for you to see. My phone is a bit slow. I'm at the 17th position. My phone is a bit slow, that's how come. The phone is slow. So if you can play game very well, I'll recommend this app for you. You play game, you earn, no investment is needed. All you need is your phone, and there are missions over here as well. You can play. You play these daily missions. It's not daily. It's every 4 hours, I think so. Yeah. Yes, it's every 4 hours. New games pop-ups. The mission. Yeah. These games over here, these ones, you play them, you watch ad to double. Very legit app. Very legit app. Very legit app. You can check. Let me check the winners for you to see. A lot of people are making money online. You can see their withdrawal. You can see their withdrawal over here. You can see the money that they earn using this app. Yes, there are a lot of people making money online as well. You can as well join the group to make money. I'll leave the referral link in the description. You just have to click and download, sign up, and get $1 free. Then when you play game and you earn up to $10, you can withdraw. The minimum withdrawal is $10. You can check. Let me check my withdrawals for you to see. You see, I just what's the name? I withdrawn 10.85 cents and it went into my PayPal account. Let me open my Gmail account for you to see. I receive it. This game is very legit. It's very legit. You don't need to invest anything. Gmail. You don't need to invest anything. The network today is very bad. MTN network is very bad over here. Yes. The network is very bad. You see, GAMEE Mobile has sent $10, $10.85 USD into my account. That's a message from PayPal account. And if I open the PayPal account itself, you see you as well see the money over there. You as well see the money over there. Let me open PayPal account for you to check the money. This game is very legit. It's not even time wasting. If you can play game, you know you are a good gamer, you know how to play game, just always be at the top to win higher prizes. Just be at the top to win higher prizes. I'm opening my PayPal account for you to check. anytime I want to open my PayPal account, I'll be logging in. I don't know why. After keying my email address and password, they will do their security check. I have to enter whatever. After they check, then they will ask me to log in again. I just opened it on my laptop and it went successfully. Yeah, it came now. You see my recent activity. Did you see my recent activity? Sorry. Did you see my recent activity? It was paid by GAMEE Mobile. So this app is very legit. It's not even time wasting. All you need to do is play game. If you are a good gamer, you play game and you win prizes. So for example, this one they are asking me to survive for 15 seconds. Let me play this one. Let me play the 3 missions for you to see. It's very easy to play. The game is very easy to play. Now here I'm to survive for only 15 seconds. So you can see the blue bar over there. So I just have to kill myself. I'm to survive for only 15 seconds. So when the mission is completed, I have to just kill myself. Then I go to the next mission. The tournament I joined before, I wanted the 3 tickets. So this one, you click on double, you watch their advert, so that it will be doubled for you. The ticket will be doubled for you, because the higher the ticket, the I don't know how to say it. If you the more the ticket, the higher the position. So if you are having a lot of tickets, then it will determine your position. So more tickets, more wins. That's how the game goes. And it's very legit. It's very legit. And one thing about the app is you watch ad to double your ticket. You watch ad to double your ticket. Yeah, you can see times 2. I'm going to close this game as well. I'm going to show you another thing also. They have this spin wheel whereby you can spin to win cash or tickets. It's actually daily. They have the daily and hourly spin as well. So I'm going to spin. What I just won right now, that 20-minute boost, it means every game that I'm going to play, they are going to boost the ticket for me times 2. So that's the main function of this minute boost over here. This one, that 20 minutes, that's the main function. So if I want to spin again, then I have to watch ads, then another spin will come. You do that until the spin wheel will close. And one amazing thing is every 4 hours the spin wheel will be reactivated. So every four hours you come back and you'll be able to spin. After the spin is after you've exhausted all the you exhausted all the spin chances, you come back in 4 hours and it will be there. It's even having a countdown the same way as what's the name, the missions over here. And you can as well invite your friends. You can as well invite your friends to get 10 cents. When they are able to sign up successfully, you get 10 cents. So the more friends you invite, the more cash you get, cash prize. This one you get cash prize. And then another amazing thing is whenever your friends are playing the game, you'll be getting 10% of their tickets. 10% of their ticket, not their cash, but 10% of their ticket. But the moment they sign up successfully, you get 10 cents. So for example, if you invite 10 friends and they're able to sign up successfully and they play the game and they're able to reach level 5, you'll be credited with 10% each. So it 10 cents each. So it means you'll be getting $1. So the more friends you invite, the more cash you get, cash prizes you get as well. So this game is very legit. It's very legit. You don't need to invest anything. All you need is your data and your phone. Your data and your phone. And the next video I'll post on about this game is going to be hacks. I will show you simple hacks that you can use to beat the system small. But it's not anything illegal. It's not anything illegal that you should be afraid of. I'll teach you how to just beat the system small. In case you don't want to waste time watching us, those things, they are simple tricks that I'll show you, and you be able to make money quickly. Cash out. You'll be able to cash out. Yeah. So you can see over here, you invite friends to get what's the name? It will you see each member 10%, 500 tickets. Yeah. So thank you for watching this video. If this is your first time coming across my video, please do well to subscribe to the channel for me and click the notification button as well. Thank you.